Hello friends, today I'm unboxing one of my favorite aftermarket modification in car, that is a steering wheel. I have bought a Momo steering wheel from Amazon. I will share the link in the description, so from there you can buy it. So let's see what's inside. The packing is very good from Amazon. I really like it. See, this is the Momo cover. I have ordered a red color steering wheel, so it's mentioned red over here. These are the serial. This is the serial number. I didn't know what is this. Here it's mentioned sports steering wheel. So let's open it. Oh wow, it's same as mentioned in the picture. It's looking very beautiful. Let me remove the plastic. Okay, so in the box I get these two wires which are for horn and one Allen key tool. So these Allen key tool is just to tight these nuts and two horn wires. Okay, let's coming to the steering wheel. Here is the steering wheel. In the center there is a Momo logo, Momo Italy. On both the side there is Momo Italy logo. The rubber is very good, like it's very soft, and I really like the curves of the steering wheel, because here you can see there is a curve. When I'm holding it, it's like making me very comfortable. Like it will be very comfortable while you are driving your car. So it's very good. Like I really like it. So I didn't know how you guys will react, but I really like the curves. Just for the grip, the curves are very good. So apart from all these, as I told you, this is a red color. You can go for like blue or some other colors. I really like the red one, so I bought it. In the back side there are two connectors for the horn, and let me check. Let me remove this. Yeah, it's very tight. Yeah, it's removed. See, this is a separate frame. This is a horn, and this metal case is for earthen. God, horn earthen. This is the switch, Momo switch. These are Allen keys. You can see screws to fit here. See, like if you really want to do some extra modification on it, because like I am just wondering that if I will not use that ring, then what will happen? Just check. I'm just putting it back again, and if I put it like this, see here also you can fit the horn without using that rim over the horn or whatever. Like I will when I will install, I will check it one by one. So for now, if I'm putting it like this, and I'm just putting it back, it will be same like this. I'm just removing the screws for now. So it will be like this, and if you'll fit over here, it will look like this. So I'm really very excited to like install it in my car. So when I I will install it, I will again make a video and show it to you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.